सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 96, Shloka 8. श्रद्धस्वतात श्रद्धस्व नात्र मोहं कुरुष्व भोः ज्ञानस्वरूपो भगवान् आत्मा त्वं प्रकृतेः परः. Ashtavakra presenting the nature of Atma Jnanam, how one can attain Atma Jnanam. Even though Janaka Maharaja is a Jnani, further Ashtavakra talking about the Brahma Vidya, just for clarity, further clarity. So what he says here, Shraddhasva, hey Tata, my dear child, my dear one, Tata Shraddhasva, may you have faith. Again he repeats, Shraddhasva. So that repetition shows how important the Shraddha is. Shraddha is very, very important. Because Shastra is talking what we are seeing is right, is not right, Shastra says. What you are not seeing, that Atma is Satyam, that alone is the truth. That is why it is very difficult to accept Shastra teaching. Whatever you perceive is unreal, mithya. It is not Satyam. Whatever you are not perceiving, not objectifiable, that is Satyam, that is Atma, that is you. So very difficult for us to accept. On the other hand, we may reject Shastra also, because we are not able to grasp easily. Even decades we study also, we are not able to understand. Therefore, smoothly, slowly we drop Shastra. That is why everywhere in Smriti Granthas, Upanishads, the teacher always asks Shraddha. You require tremendous faith, Shraddhasva. Krishna says, Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. With Shraddha only you will get Atma Jnanam, not by arguing, not by debate. Listen, with Shraddha you listen long time. Then you can slowly grasp the teaching, because it is a very terse teaching. You require lot of patience. Shraddhasva. Therefore, na atra moham kurushva bhoho. Atra, with regard to this satya, anrita, viveka, atma, anatma, viveka, Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya Jivo Brahmaiva Naparaha. It is the cardinal principle of Vedanta. Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya Jivo Brahmaiva Na Aparaha. Na Paraha. Na Aparaha means not different. Cardinal principle of Vedanta. Over Advaita, whole Advaita is in one Shloka. Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya Jivo Brahmaiva Naparaha. The quotation of Slokamo, whatever it may be, Advaita, that is their teaching. regarding that atra, with regard to this Mahavakyam, Aikya Jnana Vishaye, Moham Ma Kurushva, may you not have delusion. May you not have delusion means what? May you have clarity. May you have crystal clear knowledge regarding this. May you not have any confusion or delusion. He bho, bho tata anartham. Addressing. You are what then? Jnana Swarupaha Bhagavan. See, Ashtavakra addressing Janaka Maharaja as Bhagavan. Bhagavan Aishwaryasya Samagrasya Viryasya Yashasasriya Jnana Vairagyayor Shanna Bhaga Itirana. The one who is having Aishwaryam, Shrihi, Jnanam, Vairagyam, Samagrama, all these, he alone is known as Bhagavan. Generally we use Bhagavan only for God. Lord alone is called Bhagavan. Ashtavakra addressing Janaka Maharaja as Bhagavan means what? You are almost Bhagavan only. Because you are a Jnani, you are equal to Bhagavan. You are almost Bhagavan only. Hey Bhagavan. What an address, Ashtavakra addressing his Sishya. Guru is addressing his Sishya as Bhagavan. If Sishya doesn't know that fact, he is a Gabavan. Not Bhagavan, he is a Gabavan. So the student must deserve that address. No? When the teacher address Bhagavan, how much qualification student required? Bhagavan, Jnana Swarupaha Tvam. You are of the nature of knowledge. Jnana Swarupaha Bhagavan. Atma Tvam. You are Atma. Atma Tvam Girijamati Sahajaraha. Pranas Shariram Griham. You are the self. You are the Atma. You are not the non-self, but you are self. You take yourself as non-self, you are, it is nonsense and artha. You take yourself as non-self, anatma, body, mind, yourself, it is a nonsense. Meaningless and artha. Nonsense and meaningless. You are not anatma, prakritehe means anatma. Prakriti means anatma, body, mind, matter, jadam, matter. Paraha means beyond. You surpasses. You are beyond. Prakritehe, beyond matter, beyond body, mind, or beyond Shariratrayam. Prakritehe paraha means what? Satvarajastamo gunatmika maya Shariratraya vilakshanaha tvam asi. You are beyond three bodies. Which bodies? All bodies are made out of matter. Therefore, prakritehe paraha means Sharira vilakshanaha. You are Atma. That's why in the above shloka he said Chidrupaha. Here he says Jnanaswarupaha. In shloka 7, Vishwam spurati yatredam tarangaiva sagare tattvameva na sandehaha chinmurte. You are not Krishna Murti or Rama Murti, you are Chinmurti. Chin Chit anartham. Chit Swarupam ityartha. Chinmurti means what? Chit Swarupam. Chit means what? That which never depend upon anything to be revealed by something. Chit is consciousness, doesn't require any other thing to illumine this chit. Chit is that which doesn't require any second thing to illumine. On the other hand, it illumines the everything. It illumines everything. Without requiring any other second thing to reveal itself, it reveals everything. It reveals everything. That in Sanskrit they say, sadhanantara nairapekshena. Sadhanantara nairapekshena means without seeking any other support to manifest itself, it doesn't seek any support for its evidence. Sadhanantara nairapekshena swayam prakashamanataya itara padarthan avabhasakam yat. Itara padartha avabhasakam yat tat chit. That which illumines all objects. Itara padartha avabhasakam. It illumines all the objects without expecting any other object to illuminate. Adinadatra suryo bhati na chandra tarakam. That sloka. In this shloka he says, Jnana swarupaha tvam. What do you mean by jnanam? Generally we say consciousness, chit alone jnanam. Chit is jnanam. There is another definition also is there for jnanam. Ajnana nashakatve sati. By removing ajnana, jnanam is equal to ajnana nashakatve sati swatma bodhakatvam jnanam. By destroying the ajnanam, knowledge is that which destroys ignorance and remains as jnanam. Remains as jnana swarupam. Swatma bodhakatva means reveals itself. Reveals itself. Destroying ignorance, having destroyed ignorance, that which remains and reveals itself is called jnana. Ajnana nashakatve sati swatma bodhakatvam jnanam. Or artha prakasho hi jnanam. Artha prakasho hi jnanam means what? Jnanam is that which reveals an object. Clip jnanam, pushpa jnanam, mic jnanam, fan jnanam, house jnanam, all jnanams are what? Once I say I know the clip means I am free from ignorance of the clip. I know clip, jnanam. I have the knowledge of the clip. What it means? I am free from the ignorance of the clip. Ajnana nashakatve sati. Swatma bodhakatvam. I know, I know, I know. I remove the ignorance of everything and I remain as the knower. Adi. Artha prakasho hi jnanam. Artha means object. Prakasha means illuminator. Illuminator of all objects is called jnana. Who is that? Aham. I am the Atma, is the illuminator of every object. That is why you say, I am conscious of this object, I am conscious of that object, I am conscious of myself also. Swatma avabodhakam. I am conscious of everything. The one who says is consciousness or not? Is a conscious being or not? To be conscious of everything, you must be conscious being. Adi kuda sandeham irundana, we are not conscious of an ardham. We are in unconsciousness. I am conscious of presupposes I am consciousness. That's called swatma bodhakatvam. When you see the photograph, you will never have the doubt of camera. So camera is proved by seeing the photo. Similarly, I know this, I know that, I know this, and means I am consciousness, swatma avabodhakam. I reveal myself and reveal everything. So, chittu jnanam. Like this, so many definitions are there in other texts and all. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತல is a treasure house. Our country is a treasure house of knowledge. Treasure house of knowledge. How much treasure na you cannot measure. Treasure cannot be measured. Our treasure, our Vedic treasure cannot be measured. Unmeasurable, immeasurable, unmeasurable, immeasurable. Okay, immeasurable treasure. Okay, now you cannot say India is a poor country. These are not people, Laukika people who say India can never be a poor country. It's the richest country in knowledge. That is why you are a rich person. Okay, with knowledge you are a rich person. Next shloka. Gunaihi samveshtito dehaha tishthatyayati yati cha atmanaganta kimena manushochasi. There is no necessity of crying or worrying at all. Kim enam manushochasi. You need not lament or cry or worry about this body-mind complex at all. But why people are all worrying, crying? Not necessary at all. That is called beauty, our greatness. Where you need not cry, we are all crying. Where you need not worry at all, but we are worrying. That means we are all master degree namak kudukalam. Edilla kavala padradhula master's degree enna. Eppadiyavathu manage pannuvom kavala padradhukaga. Something or other we will find out. Eppudu edho onnu edho kavala panna oru aanandam namakku adila. Ashtavakra says not at all necessary. Kim enam shochasi. Because gunaihi samvisthitaha dehaha. Dehaha, this body, gunaihi samvisthitaha. It is endowed with, made up of gunas. Sattva, rajas, tamas. Trigunatmika maya shariram. It is always with gunas. It can never be free from gunas. Gunas are nothing but vaishamyam. Guna vaishamyam eva shariram, guna vaishamyam eva manaha. So imbalance in vata, pitta, kapha in Ayurveda they say. Disease is because of vata, pitta, kapha imbalance. That is Ayurveda. But Vedantamlo what we say? This sattva rajas tamo guna vaishamyam imbalance always fluctuating. Gunaihi samvisthitaha dehaha. So sukshma sariram indriyani rajogunam amsham manasu sattvagunam and body is full and full tamogunam made out of. Okay, prana, sense organs are made out of rajoguna. Mind is made out of sattva guna predominantly, body is made out of tamo guna. So you are nothing but trigunam. Mood gunangal irukku. Okay? Trigunaihi, gunaihi na trigunaihi, samvesthitaha and enveloped. Samvesthitaha means you are wearing three gunas all the time. Wherever you go, either you carry sleep or you carry restlessness or you carry sometimes, oh nice, the sattva guna. These are the three. What else we do? Either we sleep or sleepy or we are restless, anxious, anxiety, or sometimes we enjoy very rarely, rarely we enjoy something with sattva guna. Other than this, what we are doing? Check. Not mic. check yourself. The person when he is operating the mic, check 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 and அது மாதிரி செக்னா ஏதோ செக் நினைக்கக்கூடாது, பேங்க் செக்னால் செக் யுவர் செல்ஃப். அதர் தேன் தீஸ் த்ரீ குணாஸ் வாட் ஆர் வி? குணைஹி சம்விஷ்டிதः தேஹः திஷ்டதி ஆயாதி யாதினர். தேஹः திஷ்டதி, then what? This nature of this body is what? Ayati, arrival, yati, departure. Date of birth, date of birth. Middle or chocolate. Date of birth and date of death. The whole history is nothing but date of birth, date of departure. Ayati, yati. Who? Dehahanar. It has a manufacturing date and expiry date. Okay. Therefore, birthday means what? Birthday means what? I am born, going, graying, growing, graying, going. Growing, growing another birthday. Why you show chocolate? I am growing, I am growing, I am growing. Afterwards, I am graying, I am graying, I am graying. Then what? Apram going sound silent. Everyone is silent. Ayati, yati. Ayaram, gayaram. Okay. Atma, whereas Atma, you, previous sloka he said Atmatvam. Since you are the self, Atma, that what is the nature of Atma? Na ganta, na aganta. Neither na jayate, na mriyate. Neither arrives nor depart. Neither arrive nor depart. Ganta means going, departure. Aganta means arrival. Kim yenam anusochati. Such a type of body which is made out of three guna, which goes and comes. You are not that deha. Why you have to worry about that which is going to? Going to in the process of that going. Why you have to understand its nature, the fact, uncontrollable, unsustainable. Understand, see as it is. Knee replacement is required, do that. Okay. Spell set replacement required, do that also. You want hair set also replacement, do that also. Whatever replacement required, do that. Make it in a position, such a surviving condition. Afterwards, disposal. No. How long you can keep that body? No, once you have to dispose. You see in the obituary column every day in the paper. Even though we are not related to that, everyone sees any known person is there. Some people search. Known people irkan. None of us think one day our photo also come like that. சுவாமி இதெல்லாம் சொன்னாங்க, நான் கிளாஸுக்கே வரமாட்டோம். அந்த அளவுக்கு நமக்கு என்ன பயம் பாருங்க. அசல் அந்த வார்த்தை வரக்கூடாது, அந்த வார்த்தை கேட்கறதுக்கே பிடிக்காது நமக்கு. As though we are body, no, you see, we take ourselves as body, as though it is amangalam, it is a sad news. Shastra says it's not a sad news. Chattai cultified and he has changed his dress. He is going to wear another dress. Vasamsi jiranani yatha vihaya navani grinhati naroparani tadha sharirani vihaya jiranani anyani sanyati nar. That's all. So listen like this more and more, and fear of death will come down. Why that fear? Because of deha abhimana, nothing else. Okay, next shloka. Dehastisthatu kalpantam gacchatvadhyaiva va punaha यद्वैव वा पुनः क्ववृद्धि क्व च वा हानिः तव चिन्मात्ररूपिणः देहः तिष्ठतु कल्पान्तं. Let the body may live until the kalpa, or may it go adya, now or itself. Doesn't matter. Matter is doesn't matter. This is a matter. May it continue up to kalpantam. Kalpa means a long time, up to Brahmaji's. Or may it go away now itself. Adya eva. Adya means today. Not now. Swamini, our adya ni solrar, ninga now ni solrar. Adya na today. Today. Dehaha tishtatu kalpantam or gacchatu adya eva va punaha. Gacchatu. So what? Kva vruddhihi kvachava hanihi. What is the growth? Vruddhihi, what am I going to get? What am I going to get profit? Vruddhihi or kvachava hanihi. What loss is going to come to me if I leave this body? What vruddhi am I going to get if body survive up to kalpantam? What am I going to get? Nothing. Either it survive up to kalpantam or it goes today itself also. No vruddhi, no hani. No benefit, no profit, no loss. No gain, no loss. No gain, no loss. Therefore, you see the anatma, there are always cosmic law I to understand. In this chakram, the seasons are coming, all seasons, winter, summer, rainy, everything is coming. The whole creation is a phenomenon, changing phenomenon. Changing phenomenon always, whatever you get, whatever you purchase. We have purchased a body. Mahata punyena kriteyam kayanam tvaya. We have purchased the body by giving lot of punya. We have purchased the house by giving lot of many lakhs and lakhs. We have purchased the land, we have purchased TV, we have purchased what, washing machine, we have purchased what not, everything we have purchased. We have to pay price first. To purchase, you have to pay price, including body. So we all of us have paid first. First purchase is what? Body. After that only next purchase. And the purchase everything, there also you have to pay price. In the whatever you purchase, the beauty is here. There is a brighter side and darker side. Swamiji says, there is a brighter side means you enjoy. Body you are enjoying or not? Enjoying also. Sometimes headache, toothache, leg ache, all these, we have pain. Unfavorable, unpleasant. That is darker side. So brighter side and darker side, both are there. For body also, brighter side is there, darker side is there. Once what you purchase also, work sometime, brighter side. Many times it won't work, darker side. So, accept this brighter side and darker side. Look at it as it is. It is its nature. You cannot change it. So, Grihastha is always, he purchases so many things. Therefore, he has to, Deha Abhimana is the cause for this brighter side and darker side. Person to person it differs. What is brighter for one person is darker to another person. What is darker means what? Unfavorable, unpleasant, pain. Another person it is favorable, brighter side. Now who decides which one is brighter and darker? Whatever is giving joy to me, it is giving pain to other person. Whatever is giving pain to other person, giving joy to me. Now, the brighter side or darker side depend on the object or on the mind? On the mind. So, my mind alone is the cause. Why? Because of Deha Abhimana, Mana Abhimana, Pancha Anatma Abhimana. Okay? Profession, family, profession, body, mind. Ellaka abhimanam. That is the cause. Therefore, no object has got a brighter side or a darker side. How you look at it from your viewpoint, that is the thing there. Therefore, what occupies our mind predominantly, that makes us to worry. What our mind occupies all the time predominantly, that means we are worrying so much an artham. How a thing or person can occupy all the time in the mind like a bug? Because we are attached to that person or to that object an artham. Any attachment, including with Guru, including with Shastra. This is Shastra Vasana, that is Loka Vasana. Dehavasana, Lokavasana, Shastra Vasana. Therefore, never have a Vasana. That is what Shastra says. Next shloka. Okay. Dehaha kvavriddhi kvachava hanihi tava chinmatra rupinaha. To you, what is the gain or loss by keeping this body? Tava, to you, who is Chinmatra Rupinaha. You are Shuddha Chaitanyam, pure consciousness. Chinmatra means Chinna Matra nille. Okay. Not Chinna Matra. Chinmatra means pure. Matra means pure. Unalloyed. Anointed. Pure Shuddha Chaitanyam you are. Therefore, what occupies our mind affects us more, not the object. What occupies our mind alone affects more than the object that exists outside. What occupies our mind, that only affects us, not the object that which is outside, that which exists outside. For example, I'll read this sloka and tell you. Okay. Tvayanam tamaham bodhau vishvavichi svabhavatah udetu vastamayatu न ते वृद्धिर्न वा क्षतिः. I am Nityamuktaha. I am ever free, but I am not able to recognize that I am my peace, security and happiness, my nature. So, the mind which occupies affects the us, not the object. That means, for example, Swamiji gives one example. People go for biopsy test. Biopsy anane that which gives bhayam and artham. Biopsy. So, for everything doctors, frightening, every day frightened, take care of your heart. This is the paper first heading. First heading, take care of your heart. So, for everything they talk about the tests. So, biopsy is a one test. And the test after giving, what report comes in? Report has not yet come. They take lot of tests, 1 week they take. So, in this 1 week, he has given for test, report has not yet come. So this person go on, maybe this disease may come for me, this disease report la. In the report la enna disease varaporadhu ippove planning, thinking, So it is going to come next Monday. Now this Monday onwards, he start thinking either cancer, heart problem, even ECG when they give for that test. For that also we worry. But this whole week worry is because of existing disease or non-existing disease? Non-existing disease. And this worrying about non-existent disease is also a worry only. This is also a worry only. This is a light worry. Same worry. But worry about existent or non-existent thing? Non-existent. How powerful worry? Is it a light worry, a strong worry? A strong worry. But non-existent. That theriyum, he knows that. Report has not yet come. I need not worry. I may not have such a disease. Why I have to worry? Anywhere cancer, anybody has gotten, the problem, pain, problem. Disease, he himself or herself decide. Doctor says nothing. Biopsy test report, you are perfectly all right. 1 week really, doctor, no food, no sleep, nothing. Adhe madri, the people, one more example Swamiji gives, people do not understand it all. The Malayalam edo solluva, anjanam ennadu gnanariyum manjal pole veluttirukkum ennu solluva. Anjanam eppadi irukka mai நான் அறியும் மஞ்சள் போல, it is like a turmeric powder, மஞ்சள் போல வெளுத்திருக்கும், like a turmeric powder, it is white in color. ஏதா மை இப்போ எது புரியுறது உனக்கு? And another funny example Swamiji gave was, one lady asked a person, every day you have to carry my lunch bag to my son to the school. So in lunch hour he cannot come. And that boy said, okay, I'll go. After giving food, he has to bring back. Then how much you want? This lady asked. You give 20 rupees. For going 10, coming 10 rupees. She said, no, I can't give like that. I want to give. While going 12 rupees, while coming 8 rupees. Why? What is the logic? She says, while going you are carrying heavy carriage. While coming, bringing you are carrying empty carriage. Therefore, while going 12 rupees, while coming 8 rupees. Therefore, what? That person said, no, I can't come. This is this is not feasible to me. Therefore, I can't come. And poita. இந்த பைத்தியம் ரெண்டுமே பைத்தியம். இந்த அம்மாவுக்கு புரியல, whether to give 10 rupees or 8 rupees, what is the difference? அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம லைஃப் எல்லாமே அச்சு பிச்சு மாதிரி இப்படிதான் இருக்கும். எல்லாமே ஒன்றுமே தெரியாது, தெரிஞ்ச மாதிரி எல்லாம் பிஹேவ் பண்ணுறோம். அதுதான் அப்புறம். ஸோ त्वयि अनंत महा अम्भोदौ, महा अम्भोदि ocean. You are like a vast ocean. In you, who is like a vast ocean, Vishwavichi Swabhavataha. Vichi enna tarangam, wave. What is the wave is arising in you? Vishwam. Whole universe is like a wave. Just as the wave arises in the ocean, similarly the Vishwam wave is raising from you the consciousness ocean. You are like a consciousness, you are like a ocean of consciousness. From you the whole world is emerging out. Whole world is what? Like a wave. Like a wave. நம்பவே முடியலையே சுவாமினி இதெல்லாம். ஏதோ சம்திங் சாஸ்திரா ப்ரைசிங், ஐ திங்க். இட் இஸ் லைக் ஏதோ ப்ரைசிங் ஸ்துதி மாதிரி நமக்கு தோணும். சாஸ்திரா டாக்கிங் ஃபேக்ட், 100%, 100% ஃபேக்ட், 100% ஃபேக்ட். 100%, 10%, 99%. It's 100% fact upon. நம்பவே முடியல. Because you knew the consciousness, the ocean wave is appearing. From you only, ocean only wave comes. Wave goes into what? Ocean. Wave is real, water is real. So wave nama rupa we have given to what? Water. Similarly, Vishwam is a nama rupa. In this Vishwam there are many Rama rupas we have given. When wave comes, there are many bubbles. There is a foam. All these bubbles, foam are within the wave. Wave is within the water. Water is within the அப்புறம் பேசக்கூடாது சும்மா. Water is not within the water is water. Like that, the Vishwam wave emerges out from me, the consciousness, like ocean. The Vishwam has got nama, rupa, bubbles, foams. We are like bubbles in the ocean. We are like bubbles in what we? RM, RC or OC? RM, RC. RM1, RM2, RM3, RM4, RM5, RM6, everything. Mayeva sakalam jatam, Mayi sarvam pradishtitam, Mayi sarvam layam yati. This is the truth. So you are the master. You are the master. Am I master or not? I am the master. You are the master or not? You, I are not there. Aham Brahma Asmi. Vichihi swabhavataha, naturally, spontaneously. You need not do anything. From ocean wave to come, what you have to do? You need not do anything. It comes. That is swabhavam. Similarly, in the presence of consciousness, me, the matter functions. Matter dissolves. Again manifest matter, unmanifest energy again. Manifesting matter, unmanifesting energy. Whole thing happens in me. Udetuva astamayatu nate vriddhihi nava kshatihi bhavati. Either big wave, small wave, wave is staying for 1 year, 2 years, or few seconds, nothing going to happen. Can wave arrival, departure affect the ocean? Tsunami, if it comes, here only it comes. It will not affect the ocean. Ocean is as it is. Ocean is as it is. How many rivers are joining in the ocean? Nothing will happen in the ocean. Ayatu astamayatu. Yatu astamayatu. Let them arrive, let them depart. Udetu rising. Astamayatu means disappearing. Nate vriddhihi nava kshatihi. There is no gain for you, there is no loss. Kshatihi nasti. For whom? For me, the Atma. Therefore, body la problems are not my problems. Okay. Just as you repair the things what you are using at home, washing machine, TV, phone, mixie, gas stove, you are all using and giving for service. கொஞ்சம் ஆயிலில் போட்டு நல்லா சர்வீஸ் பண்ணி டக்க டக்க சப்தம் வரும், கொஞ்சம் க்ரீஸ் போட்டு எல்லாம் மறுபடி ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி யூஸ் பண்ணுறோமா இல்லையா? பாடி ஆல்சோ மேக் யூஸ் ஆஃப் இட். Repair pannu. What about mind? Mind also. Many times it does a lot of jugglery. Irsha, Asuya, Kobam, Thabam, all will come. Here varudhu namakke theriyadu. Suddenly it becomes fine. Suddenly it becomes as it is. Mind also like that. Appo mind also repair. Again, dhyanam, japa, puja, சாண்டிங் பண்ணு, கொஞ்சம் பேசிஃபை த மைண்ட். எகெயின் 2 நாள் நன்னா இருக்கும், அதுக்கப்புறம் యథాస్థానం వాళ్ళు నాయి వాళ్ళ మాదిరి ఆయిடும் మనసు. ఎగైన్ పన్ను, ఎగైన్ ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్, ఎగైన్ డూ దట్. హౌ లాంగ్? యాజ్ లాంగ్ యాజ్ మైండ్ ఈజ్ దేర్. స్వామిని హౌ లాంగ్ టు డూ నా? హౌ లాంగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ హౌస్? యాజ్ లాంగ్ యాజ్ యూ లివ్. ஹவு லாங் யூ டு ஸ்வீப் த ஹவுஸ், க்ளீன் த ஹவுஸ். எத்தனை வாட்டி பெயிண்ட் பண்ணியிருப்போம் வீட்டுக்கு, எத்தனை வாட்டி ரிப்பேர் பண்ணியிருப்போம்? ஆஸ் லாங் ஆஸ் we live. Similarly, as long I am there in this body as Atman, available in this body, I take care of the body. Vishwa Taijasa Prajna Aham. I am Turiyam. I alone am the waker, I am alone the Vishwa, I am alone the dreamer, sleeper. I am neither waker nor sleeper nor dreamer. Who am I? I am Turiya Atma. Okay, therefore vriddhihi va kshatihi va nasti. Next shloka. Tata chinmatra ruposi nate bhinnamidam jagat atah kasya katham kutra heyopadeya kalpana. If you remember heyopadeya na Lalita Sahasranama manasukannu. Heyopadeya varjita. Once the word comes in Lalita Sahasranama, that is Nirgunam Brahma. So, heyam means to reject. Upadeya means to accept. O hak tyage, to drop, to give up. Upadeyam taking, accepting. So, what to reject, what to accept now? Everything myself, everything is born out of me only. What to reject, what to accept? Where to reject, where to accept? Kasya, kutra, kwa? He is asking. So, ataha, therefore, kasya heya upadeya kalpana. Kasya. What I have to reject, what I have to accept. Kasya, of what? Katham, how to accept, how to reject. If I reject also, I am rejecting myself. If I accept also, I am accepting myself. Because whatever I accept is my own form. It is in another form, that's all. Katham, how to accept, how to reject. Katham, kutra, where to accept, where not to accept. Everywhere I am, everything I am, all the time I am, in everything. That's why for a Jnani, deliberately there is no question of rejecting or accepting. ఇది వేణుము అని వేండ, ఇది వేండాము అని వేండ. What a status of mind, you see. That is why from the beginning Ashtavakra is telling samsara is nothing but kama. Desire for anything is called samsara. For a Jnani, there is nothing to desire, nothing to give up. What it is life? What is such life? Adla chappunu irukado namman irukrom. Normal people think like that. It is only tasteless, charmless. It is not charmless. It is the most precious way of living actually. There is nothing to desire, nothing to reject. Because everyone's desire is my desire. Everyone's ananda is my ananda. Everyone's enjoyment is my enjoyment. Why I have to enjoy separately? When they are enjoying, it is as good as I am enjoying. Because I see me in them. I see me in everything. How is it possible? Only one way. When I give up deha abhimana. Once I identify with one particular body, deha abhimana, mana abhimana, I always disidentify with other bodies. I identify with one body, particular body. Abhimanam. Nen, non, ennudayadu. And the Abhimanam. That is the cause, which is really not necessary. And I identify with this body and I superimpose many notions, wrong notions to this body. What are notions? இந்த வருஷம் எப்படி இருக்குமோ, நாளைக்கு உகாதி, இது தமிழ் வருஷ பரப்பு, இந்த வருஷம் எப்படி இருக்குமோ, ஏழி நாடு சனி வருவாரோ, ஒன்றா எந்த ஸ்தானத்தில் இருக்கார், 9 ஹவுசஸில் எந்த ஹவுஸில் இருப்பார் அவர், குரு கிருப்பை எப்படி இருக்கும் இந்த வருஷம், சுவாமி பகவான் கிருப்பை எப்படி இருக்கும். Astrologers are also busy now. So once I identify with this body, mind, family, people, all the stars influence my life. All the stars influence my life. My son's marriage, my son's job, my son's promotion, or my daughter's marriage, my daughter's job, my daughter's promotion, or my grandchildren's health, their planets also influence me. I identify with this body and all will come one by one. There is no end for that. Lifelong longing for lifelong. முடியவே இல்லை என்ன. அலை ஊஞ்சி ஸ்நானம் பண்ணுறேன்னு உட்கார்ந்துருக்கான். எல்லாம் முடியட்டும் சுவாமின்னு அப்புறம் ஒரே கிளாஸுக்கு என்ன. After settling everything, I come to class. It will never settle. Once settled, again another thing comes. That is settled, another thing will come. There is no end for this. Therefore, heya upadeya kalpana kutra kasya katham. Everything is I am. When I say I am, you have to keep anatma, sariram, manas koncham thalli vekkano. Enge and அங்கே வெளியில் செப்பலுக்கு கூட கல்டிஃபை பண்ணிட்டு வந்துட்டோம் இங்கே. ஓகே, யூ ஆர் ஜஸ்ட் சிட்டிங் லைக் ஏ ஓன்லி தீவிர முமுக்ஷு ஆஸ் ஓசி. அஃப்கோர்ஸ் யூ ஆர் யூஸிங் ஆர்எம் ஆர்சி, பட் நாட் வித் மச் அபிமான. ஓகே, ஐ ஹோப் ஸோ. ஓகே, இல்லைன்னா கஷ்டம். Now next shloka 13. एकस्मिन् अव्यये शान्ते चिदाकाशे मले त्वयि कुतो जन्म कुतः कर्म कुतोऽहङ्कार एव च. Now understand, our religion, our philosophy, all meant to give this moksha only. Religion is the preparatory sadhanam. So we have how to drop this ahankara, deha abhimana. Ahankara means I am, that ego. நான் அங்கிற ஒரு தீவிரமான ஒரு அபிமானம். How to drop? In religion, karma kanda says, replace your ahankara, deha abhimana by Ishvara, or displacement anu solluva illaya. Displacement na idu edutittu adu vechiduna. இந்த ahankara place la you give place to Ishvara, then ahankara become weaker and weaker. Because of ahankara only deha abhimana, because of deha abhimana only dukkham. If I want to be free from dukkha, sorrow, give up dehabhimana. How to give up dehabhimana, identity with the body? Give up ahankara. How to give up ahankara? Give your mind to Bhagavan. That is why bhakti is very important. Japa, tapa, puja, anushtanam. What for, you know? In karma kanda, Ishvara is meant to displace our ahankara. Displace your ahankara by keeping Ishvara in your mind. Let us the mind occupy fully with Ishvara. Then ahankara korayum, Dehabhimanam koriyum. Sorrow also reduced. This is in Karma Kanda. What about in Jnana Kanda? In Jnana Kanda, Ahankara is displaced by Atma. I am Atma. Where is the question of Ahankara? Ahankara is a fake Ahankara. It is only Vyavaharika, Sekai, where that coat, Ahankara, coat I wear to do only interaction. No strong Ahankara with Raga, Dvesha, Kama, Krodha, not there. Functional Ahankara. Functional Ahankara I wear to do functions, to do my Vyavahara. That is okay. Slowly I do what? I displace that Ahankara because of what? I am Atma. Aham Atma only, I am consciousness, existent principle with incidental body mind complex. So Jnana Kandala displace with Atma, Ahankara displacement. In religion, displacement through Ishvara. So அந்த ஆத்ம ஞானம் வரவருக்கு யாருன்னு பிடிச்சுட்டு இருக்கணும்? ஈஸ்வரனை, பகவான். கடவுள்னு விடக்கவே கூடாது. விட்டுட்டான்னு அவ்வளோதான். We will wash it off. And in this Ahankara, there are so many sharks, crocodiles, so many are there. They want to eat us. Spiritual downfall. Any time it will take. That's why Kattiya Guru Padam Pudichundirkonam. Shastra, Guru, Ishvara. Guru, Shastra, Ishvara in the mood. Not loosely. If you hold loosely, we are loose. Hold on to Shastra. Never miss the Shastra. Be in Shastra. Be in touch with Guru and Ishvara. Daily, Daiva Puja, Guru Sushrusha, Shastra Patanam. Daiva Puja, Guru Sushrusha, Shastra Patanam. Daiva Puja, Guru Sushrusha, Shastra. Cholite irpa. இந்த மூடில் எதில் கொஞ்சம் குறைச்சல் இருந்தால் கூட நமக்கு சம்சாரம் அப்படியே இந்த சிங்க் ஆகிடுவோம். நம்ம அது வரவே கூடாது. இந்த லைஃபே வேஸ்ட்டாக போயிடும். அதனால் இந்த மூடு மறக்கவே கூடாது. ஓகே, சேஸ் ஏகஸ்மின் அவ்யயே சாந்தே சிதாகாஷே அமலே த்வை. த்வயி என்ன? இன் யூ. இன் யூ மீன்ஸ் சச் யூ ஹூ இஸ் Avyayam, Vyayarahitam. You are decayless. Body has a decay. You are decayless. Shante. You are Shanta Swarupam. Peace. You are of the nature of peace. You are struggling for peace. You are of the nature of peace. Shante. Chidakashe. You are of the nature of consciousness. Space like consciousness. All pervading consciousness. Pure asangaha, akhandaha, chidakashaha, you are. Amale means pure. You don't ever have any impurity at all. Malam manna impurity. Amalam manna impure nartham. Amale tvayi kutaha janma, kutaha karma, kutaha ahankara evacha. Where is the question of janma, karma, ahankara? All these are only Vacharambhanam vikaro namadheyam. I am neither doer, I am nor ego, ahankara. Aham illamale karam varma. So ahankarataki I am giving, I am the substratum of ahankara. That is called aham. Aham, I am not ahankara. Ahankara is my reflection. Aham is my original nature. Okay, Ahankara is my functional name. Therefore, Ahankara is my beauty. It is my duty also. It is my beauty to do my duty. So, beauty, duty, make use of it. You need not run away from your duties. Make your duties as a beauty. That is you, the Atma Chaitanyam. Kutaha karma, kutaha ahankara. Where from ahankara can come? Where from ahankara can come? Where from the doership can come? Where from the janma come? I am birthless, deathless because of avyayam. I am birthless. Because of Shuddham, Amalam, I am not tainted by any karma. Therefore, I am egoless. It's not possible also. It's not possible. Can anything afflict the space? All are in space. Nothing can touch the space. Similarly, body, mind, complex relations, objects, nothing can touch me, the consciousness. Touch பண்ணணும்னா பண்ண முடியாது. Touch me not. Touch பண்ணணும்னா கூட பண்ண முடியாது. ஏன் தெரியுமோ? I am of the higher order of reality. All Namarupas are of lower order of reality. They are all Vyavaharikam. I am Paramarthikam. Vyavaharikam can never touch the Paramarthikam. So, Aidi Paramarthikam gives sustenance to Vyavaharikam. No Vyavaharikam, really speaking. No dream, I sustain the dream. Waker sustains the dream. Waker alone appearing as dream. Similarly, whole world, Vyavaharika world, is my Swapnam. I am Paramarthikam. Rendu Swapnam. Okay, today night also third Swapnam. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.